Hey guys, welcome in this advanced Mesos course offered by Hacked Publishing. I'm Carl, I'm happy to be back with you, and we're going to delve deeper into the automated machine learning stack.
On this lecture, we'll analyze the resource expenditure of running a MapReduce with Hadoop on a distributed cluster, serving as our main example here for performing the Mesos benchmark. Section 2, Observability Wrappers. And here we will be analyzing the dispatching of a task. That would be a JSON feedback utilizing super agent and concatenating a pre-processing of HTTP communication between Express and Node.js. Section 3, React pipelines with Mesos. On this section, we'll see how the reactive DOM tree spreads, how far it goes, and how you can disentangle it with a very cool JavaScript pipeline. Section 4, Time Series Smoothing. In this section, we'll learn about React prop types in a type-safe, type-checking manner, extracting metrics and building the time series with Prometheus. Section 5. In this section, we'll be studying what kurtosis means with InfluxDB, Grafana, and utilizing an instance of the React motion in a dashboard dynamic fashion using the Material UI platform from Google. This is an exciting chapter on building a reactive dashboard with Material UI and React. In this section, we'll cover the process of a task from comma-separated value spreadsheet into a JSON-friendly job that gets recycled in this feedback loop. Section 8, my favorite part, the heartbeat. Here, we'll pretty much summarize everything we've learned about building a D3 graphical interpretation of a Mesos cluster going through several computational clocks.